Hello, welcome to episode 6, and like I said in the last video, we're just going to do some quick examples of all of our different exponent rules here, so you can see how they work. Let's start off with the first one. We've got 3 to the second in the upper left-hand corner. Now remember, 3 to the second is just saying 3 times 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. Awesome, that one wasn't so hard. The next one's a little bit trickier. It's 4 to the third, so we're going to multiply 4 times itself 3 times. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. Now in the next one, we've got twos that are being multiplied, and they have differing exponents. So we can add those exponents. That'll make it 2 to the 6th, and 2 to the 6th is actually 64, just like 4 to the third is. And the next one, it's the same thing. 3 to the 1 times 3 to the second ends up being 3 to the third. And 3 to the third is 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. In the bottom left-hand corner, we've got two numbers with the same exponents that are being divided. 4 squared divided by 4 squared. Well, if we subtract those exponents, we would get 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And remember, anything raised to the 0th power is 1. So the answer to that one is 1. Next, we've got 5 to the 5th. Yes, that's a 5. I wrote it very poorly. Divided by 5 to the third. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we would get 5 squared. And that's 25. Wow, that's a bad 5. Whew. Got to get better at writing on whiteboards again. I've got one more tablet of examples here. The next one up in the top left corner is 7 to the first. And remember that every number raised to 1 is itself. So this answer is 7. We've got 10 to the 0, and we saw that earlier. Anything raised to the 0 is 1. So 10 to the 0 is 1. In this one, we have something raised to a power, 6 to the second, raised to 2. So you're going to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4. And 6 to the fourth is 1,296. Here we've got the same issue, 7 to the first times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. So we get 7 to the squared, and that's 49. And then on the bottom, we have some negative exponents. We've got 4 to the negative third, which is 1 over 4 to the 3, because remember we can flip that into the denominator. And 4 to the third, we learned earlier, was 1/64th, or was 64. So on the bottom, we end up with 64. So the answer is 1/64th. And then in the other one, we've got the negative exponent on the bottom. So it'll get flipped up into the numerator and become 2 squared, which is 4. Thanks for watching me do some examples about exponent rules and how they work. Please feel free to refer back to this video if you ever need to see how they work again. Thanks for watching. See you next episode.